Hello guys, so today I'm going to walk you through the steps involved in making your Oculus Quest 2 headset playable wirelessly. You can play all your Steam VR games wirelessly on your Quest 2. So I just wanted to do a video so it can help people like me who are trying to do this. For ease of access, I have compressed all the files that I have used as a 7Z file and uploaded to my Google Drive. The link is available on the description. Go ahead and download it. Once you have downloaded the software, you can just right click on it, and then if you already have installed the 7Z, you can extract it. If not, you need to get the 7Z software. 7Z is a compression software, so extract. The password is skd007. Alright, there we go. Extracted. It has all the content you need. It includes the PowerShell shortcut, your virtual desktop, the desktop application. The other part that you need is on the Oculus headset, the virtual desktop software, which you will have to pay 20 bucks to get. And then you have the patch file to patch the virtual desktop. You have the ALVR client APK that needs to be installed as well. And then you have the driver software that is needed for you to connect to your headset and access it using USB debug mode. Alright, I also have the ALVR server software, which is for tweaking, advanced tweaking. I don't want to do all that. All I'm going to do first is install the driver, and then I'm going to install this software. I just installed the virtual desktop software on the Quest from Oculus store, and then I installed this software, which is basically a client for the desktop, or maybe the server for the desktop. Since I already installed it, I'm just going to repair it. So once that is installed, it's going to pop up like this over here as a tray icon. Okay, it's not yet there. Okay, there we go. So it pops up like that. If it doesn't, I can just click on the start menu and run it myself. So when you open the software, this is how it's going to look. The next step is to enable developer mode on the headset. To do that, you have to sign up for a developer account. So I have put the link on the description, so you can go ahead and select the link and then go and log in there. So yeah, it's going to be a Facebook login. All right. So once you have logged in, it's going to ask you to create an organization. So you just give a company name over there, some name, and then you put a check mark and submit it, so that now your account will be a developer account. It'll give you an option to download the USB debug driver. You don't have to do that because I've already included that in the package. So once you have done that, you can go back to your phone. On the phone, you can open your Oculus app. Once you have enabled developer mode on the app, connect to your headset to the computer, you should see a pop-up. You need to put a check mark which says always allow from this computer and click OK. This is to allow the computer to connect to your headset using the USB debug mode. If in case the pop-up does not appear, nothing to worry. We can continue doing the stuff that you're doing, and eventually you will see it on the device, and then you can go ahead and put a check mark and approve it. Before we go into PowerShell commands, we have to make sure we have installed a virtual desktop, or we have purchased virtual desktop and have installed it on the headset. So I'm going to show you a video that I captured from my headset just to show you. now that we have made sure the app on the headset is installed, we need to connect the app on the headset to the computer. So we just need to open the desktop version of Virtual Desktop and then add the name that was displayed on the headset in item 2 and just save it. So now you can see the color change. That means it's connected. Now that we have successfully connected the Virtual Desktop client on the headset to the computer, it's time to patch the Virtual Desktop on the headset and also install the ALVR client app onto the headset. To do that, we will be using PowerShell. Okay, so let's run the PowerShell command as administrator from the shortcut provided. And then let's make sure that we are in the correct directory. Copy the address, cd space, double quotes, and then double quotes again, enter. And then I've given some commands here to make it easier. So what I normally do is to see, most of the time when you look for the device, it may not show up. It'll just say like, you know, unknown device, blah, blah, blah. So what I do is I will normally start the service and then kill it. So I just start the service. Let me do that. I want to start it. Okay, and then I'll kill it. Okay, that's done. CLS to clear the screen. And now I type /adb space DeviceID devices. Not running now. Okay, there we go. So basically I did the start and stop because this sometimes doesn't happen automatically. So once you start and stop, it works. And then okay, so now it says unauthorized. That means the problem is the device is not authorized. So I need to unplug the device and replug it so that I can accept the debugging message. This message is supposed to appear there and I need to accept this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my headset. Okay, I'm wearing my headset now. So actually I see that on my computer, you know, on my headset. I put a check mark on always allow from this computer and I say allow. All right, I did that. Coming back to my desktop, but there where it belongs. Devices, there we go. So now this time it says device. It doesn't say unauthorized anymore. So in this command here, you need to put your device ID. All right, so first I'm going to run this because all the files that is needed is already here. So this one is the client ALVR client app. Then I have this a patch file for a virtual desktop. So I'm going to first run this one and then say okay, there we go, it's installed. The second thing is the patch file. So I'm going to copy from here to this and then paste it. There we go. So it says 1 file pushed, 0 skipped. That means the file got copied. There we go. So that's all the PowerShell stuff here. So we're good. We'll just close this and close this. Now I'm going to go to the headset and going to test if everything is working. Basically, if the virtual desktop is patched, I should be able to start playing all my VR, Steam VR games on the headset. I just need to make sure the Steam is running and then I can go ahead and start the headset. Let's test it out.